All right, so today we're doing our viral TikTok make your own laundry detergent. I'm going to go through everything that I got, so that way anybody that wants to try it on their own, you'll have it in the video. So we're starting off with a bag of 4.4 pound bag of Foca laundry detergent. So we're going to open that up real quick. And this is phosphate free, so you don't have to worry about any of them harsh chemicals. And we're going to take this. It smells wonderful. Dump it in our 66 quart, because that's all Walmart had, container. Next, and as you can see, that's a nice bright blue. It's gorgeous. Next, we have a 9.87 pound bag of Ariel with Downy. It does 99 loads. We're going to put that in next. Don't drop it on yourself, because that would be a mess. Look at that. Smells wonderful in here already. Now I'm going to take, since I put the first two bags in, I'm going to mix it up with my hands. Try to get that all mixed up and together there. All right. Next, we're going to take one box, 4-pound box of borax. Maybe. If it opens up. Good God. All right, there we go. Now, it's probably going to come in a little clumpy, but that's all right. We'll break the clumps up. Now, this is just a multi-purpose cleaner and laundry booster. So it really can be used for anything. Gonna mix all this up, squeezing and breaking up the clumps of the borax. Now, according to what I understand, this little concoction here will last us months and months of laundry. Now, it's not going to be perfect, but do the best you can to break up the clumps while you can, so that way you don't have to worry about it clumping in the laundry machine, whatever laundry machine you might use. Now, this is good for both HE and normal laundry containers that support fill options that support powdered laundry detergent. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. All right, so that's all mixed up now. Now we're going to take a 3-pound container of OxiClean odor blasters. Keep or save the cup, whichever. If you keep the cup, great. You can use to scoop out the laundry detergent. But we have gained, so that'll come with one. Give it a little mix there. Woo, yeah, buddy. Mix this up. I'll probably do a shaky shake after it's all said and done. So right now we're just getting all of our laundry detergents in there. that's mixed up. Now we're going to take our box of Gain Aroma Boost Long Lasting Island Fresh. Now this is an 89 load box, 82 ounces or 5.12 pounds. We got the smaller box because we already had all this laundry detergent, so we figured we go with the smaller box versus the larger box, but really preference is up to you. And like I said, if you didn't keep the scoop from the OxiClean, I don't blame you. This is a much bigger scoop. So I'd keep the one out of your powder detergent from either Tide or Gain or whatever you may use. I use this one. So we're going to take the Gain, pour that in there. All right. Smelling good and here. Yes, sir. Give it a little massage to break up some of the clumps. Start mixing it again. Now again, it doesn't have to be used for just laundry detergent. If you have delicates or anything along them lines, like curtains or whatever, you can use it to help to wash them, like in your kitchen sink, because it's going to have the OxiClean in it and help boost it. So this is not just a laundry detergent, but I would say a nice delicate cleaner for all things. All right, still breaking up some of them borax clumps. So, all right.
Smells like a laundromat in here.
Smells like a laundromat in here. All right.
Mm-hmm. Can't wait for the beads.
Now, I got the Downy Light Ocean Mist, designed to be gentle, laundry scent and booster. I got the big 1.5 pound container because I probably wasn't thinking about this, but I like my clothes and my sheets and my towels and all that smelling fresh, fresh, fresh. I don't know about y'all. But now, just got to figure out how to open this thing. Oh, here we go. All right. It smells so good. So good. So we're going to take this whole thing, pour it in here. All right.
It's always a straggler.
One little bead. Oh, we got him. We got him. Take that, put that over there like that. And then we're going to mix some more. I'm using gloves to do it just because
Don't get under your fingernails.
I don't want to get it under my fingernails.
Yeah. Phew, you can really smell it. It smells amazing. Good choices.
That's my lovely wife, Sarah, taking the video. This is something new for both her and I. We both saw it on TikTok and thought, hey, if we can save money by making our own laundry detergent and it lasting months instead of weeks,
We're going to try.
why not try it? And so far, just the smell alone is making it all worthwhile.
I'm wondering if you could also use it as a carpet deodorizer or no?
I don't see why not. If you had a spray bottle,
In places to...
put like a small cup and
Yeah,
a spray bottle, use some warm water just to help dissolve it up,
yeah. Spot treatment.
and then you could use it as a spot treatment on carpet or on clothes instead of using a
Yeah,
Tide pen.
Yeah.
Just use some of this.
Let's break it up, make it kind of like a little paste.
Yeah. You know. So, but the two main ingredients, real quick again, are the Foca and the Ariel. Now get as big of a bag, small of a bag as you want if you're just testing out. But also too, make sure you grab your scent beads, your borax, or any type of other laundry booster you want to use, Arm & Hammer, or whether it's just the baking soda or the laundry booster. And make sure you get yourself a box of actual like Gain or Tide laundry detergent itself. And also too, to help brighten those whites and get those things clean, real clean, you get that OxyClean, or it doesn't have to be OxyClean brand. You can get Wise or Equate or whatever you want. We got it with odor blasters because, you know, you want your clothes smelling fresh. Again, it's up to you. Use whichever one you want. This is the OxyClean one. This is the Gain one, which I'm spilling soap out of. I personally am going to use the Gain one because it's bigger.
For those larger loads, yeah.
For those larger loads.
Yeah.
And then we're going to probably give this a test out today on some laundry, and we'll be back to let you know how it goes. Thank you all for watching. Bye.